Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about goto statement in C++ programming. The goto is a jump statement and it is used to transfer control to other part of the program, and the label names are used to transfer the control. The syntax is, first you have the goto statement and then the label name followed by one semicolon, and by using that the control will go to that label name and the block of code will be executed after that label. Also, we can use the goto statement with one label name to jump to a code section before the goto statement and started executing the block of code from there. Now let's talk about why someone should avoid using the goto statement. The goto is considered as a bad programming practice because it gives the power to jump to any part of the program, which makes the logic much more complex. And that's the reason we should not use the goto statement, and instead we can use the break or the continue statement for that purpose. So in this example program, first of all we have one integer variable number, and then we have prompted to enter one positive number, and then we have taken the user input and stored in the variable number. If the number is less than or equal 0, then we are going to print the string invalid number, and we have used the goto statement to go back to the label L1 and re-execute that portion of code to take one positive user input. But if the condition is false, then the else part will be executed and it will print valid number onto the console. So now I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program. So it says enter a positive number, but if I enter a negative number like -5, then it prints the string invalid number and also tries to retake the user input. So this time if I input the positive number like 6, then it printed the valid number and the program has been terminated. So this way we can use the goto statement along with one label name, and we can jump to one part of a program and started executing the code from there. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.